In Grok, sometimes we used to give long prompts. Sometimes you may be lazy and you won't be interested in typing that long prompt. In that case, what you can do is you can use voice typing. That means just turn on your mic, and after that, you can say whatever you want to write. And when you're saying that, Grok will produce a transcript of that, and you can use that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to use voice typing on Grok AI. For this, open Grok AI application.
And after that, here you can see a button like this, a mic button. Here next, you can see Speak. You should not click on that. That is for live chat. You need to click on this mic button. And after clicking on that mic button, you can say whatever you want. When you're saying whatever you want, it will be recorded here. And afterwards, a transcript will be generated from this voice. Anyways, if you want to delete this, what you need to do is you need to swipe left. When you're swiping left or clicking on this cross button, that will be deleted.
Or if everything is okay, what you need to do is click on this tick button. When you're clicking on that, that voice will be transcribed. And now here you can see what I have said. And if you want to make any corrections in this, you can make corrections. After that, click on this send button. When you're clicking on that, that prompt will be sent and you'll get answers for that prompt. So this way you can easily use voice typing on Grok. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.